Start with the name of Allah Almighty, who is most merciful and beneficent. In this tutorial, we will discuss about LTSPICE software. We will learn a very basic problem, which is a design problem, which look very complicated. We will make it very simple, and we'll learn all the LTSPICE software from basic to advanced. So if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and like the video. So let's start. This is our problem. This is a output waveform. So by looking at this, we have to design an LTSPICE which can make an output like this. This has an input voltage 10 volt 500 Hz frequency, and in output we have positive cycle 2 volt and negative cycle minus 5.65 volt. Actually this is an clipper circuit. This is an clipper circuit which basically clip in positive cycle up to only 2 volt allow the pass, and on negative cycle only minus 5.6 volt. So let's design this problem into LTSPICE software. First of all, we will create a new schematic. This one we will find here. So we actually want a V sine voltage source. So we type. So this is the sine voltage source. We require this as input. We just press the save button to exit, and then the next part is we require a resistor. This is a resistor. We press the press control button to rotate this, and then what we require is next we have to make them forward by circuit, which will cut in a forward path only make clip the circuit and pass only up to 2 volt. So for this we will take an diode, we attach it in parallel, and then we require a DC voltage source, which is basically battery. We take it. Here you will see that we have attached it. Just attach it and let's see what's the output get. Just press click and will automatically play. It is very simple. You just have to pick it and drop at the required point and press the click. Our circuit is completed. We also give it to ground and we adjust the values. So amplitude we require 10 volt, and frequency we were given 500 Hertz. So we set it. Then for the resistor value, we just right click to edit. Resistor we just set it 100 ohm, and diode, and then DC voltage source we just right click on it, and DC value we have to make it the positive cycle we will require only 2 volt. So diode is actually diode drop is 0.7 volt and plus 1.3 volt, and it will make 2 volt. So we will give here 1.3 volt. So you guys got it. So next we have to simulate. Before simulate, we uh, go to simulation command. Here we will set our stop time, and we are going to make it transient stop time. This is the transient simulation. And just run the simulation. No result will be shown. You just have to set the probe at the input side. This is an input side. Here we see the input has 10 volt, 500 hertz frequency, and at the output side, here we see only the positive cycle. We get the accurate result. We got at the output only 2 volts. While on the positive cycle we got accurate result. While on the negative cycle did not work yet. We will do it now. We will do on the negative cycle. So you have to understand what's in this circuit happening. Actually, this is a forward bias circuit, and also it act as a clipper. When the positive cycle move on, the diode will allow only on the positive cycle, because forward bias diode is placed we here, and this is a battery source which is 1.3 volt. So these combined make 2 volts, 1.3 volt plus 0.7 volt. These combined will make 2 volt. So this only allow only on 2 volt, and left is clipped. So next we quickly move on to the negative cycle. For negative cycle work, so for the negative cycle we require an inductor. But this time we are working on negative cycle, so we move it to reverse bias. Just attach here. Now we require a battery. We research it. We just attach here and connect the wire. I think LTSPICE is most easy and simple simulation software. So we just adjust the values. We just right click. So here we have to adjust it to 4195. I have to make it to battery reverse bias, so it will combine, otherwise it will subtract from this. So what we will do, I will just cut it, make a new battery, and move it to reverse bias, connect, easily connected. So now its value is 4.95. So it's already, so everything is okay. Go here, run, and here we go. Here in positive cycle we got 2 volts, and on negative cycle we got 5.5165. Here at the bottom, so we show. So we make our design. So in this way you also learn that how the simple LTSPICE software is, and how easy to create and simulation from basic to advanced. This is a design problem in electronics subject, where you will find that how to clip the waveform and how to make this simulation. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe and like the button.